Toray Industries Incorporated was established in 1926. Since then, to maintain sustainable development as a basic materials manufacturer, Toray has constantly placed strong emphasis on research and technological development and maintained a global viewpoint while devising strategies to anticipate future needs based on firm management policies. Toray's main bases in Japan are centered on the head offices in Tokyo and Osaka and 12 plants, including the plant in Shiga, where Toray originated. Toray is engaged in a wide range of business operations, from fibers and textiles to plastics and chemicals, IT-related products, carbon fiber composites, environment and engineering, pharmaceuticals and medical products. The Toray Group operates in 25 countries and regions worldwide, including Japan. Its approximately 42,000 employees are constantly contributing to society through the creation of new value. Let's look at the Toray Group's three major business categories: strategically expanding businesses, a vehicle for increased revenues; intensively developing and expanding businesses, a core for future profit growth; and core growth driving businesses, a stable profit basis. Now for an overview of our strategically expanding businesses. In Toray's world-leading Torayca composite carbon fiber business, in addition to sports applications such as golf clubs and bicycles, industrial applications including wind-powered turbine blades and automotive materials are also increasing. In addition, demand for aviation and space applications is showing rapid growth. In the new Boeing 787 aircraft, for example, carbon fiber composite materials are used in about 50% of all the airframe parts. We have established an automotive center and an advanced composite center at our Nagoya plant. This is a base for the development and production of advanced materials for next-generation automobiles and aircraft. In this way, we are promoting greater use of our carbon fiber products in these growth areas. Toray continues to respond to the rapidly increasing global demand for carbon fiber by expanding its production capacity worldwide, centering on its production bases in Japan, France, the USA and South Korea. Our information and telecommunication-related products business operations are also a leading vehicle for growth, on a par with our carbon fiber composite materials business. These include film products such as optical film used in LCDs, TFT color filters for LCDs, circuit materials and semiconductor materials. In addition, Toray Advanced Film Company Limited is expanding our processed film product business. Overseas, in Korea, we are expanding production of optical films and related processed products at Toray Advanced Materials Korea Incorporated. We are also undertaking circuit material business in a joint venture with the Samsung Group. Now for an overview of our intensively developing and expanding businesses. In our pharmaceuticals and medical products business, we produce Ferron, a natural interferon beta preparation, and Dorna, an oral preparation of a prostacyclin derivative. In addition, we produce Toray Light and Filtriza artificial kidneys and Toray Mixin absorption-type blood purification devices. We are responding to advances in medical treatment as well as strengthening our capabilities to improve the potency of our existing drugs and to develop new drugs and medical equipment. In our water treatment businesses, in response to the expected global lack of water resources, Toray is engaged in operations involving a range of highly functional water treatment membranes and water production systems. And these are used in the treatment of tap water and sewage, as well as for desalination of seawater to provide purified water supplies. Our water treatment business operations are active not only in Japan but in other Asian areas, in Oceania, the Middle East, Latin America and the Mediterranean region, and we are committed to implementing further global expansion. Now let's look at the core growth driving businesses of the Toray Group. First of all, our fibers and textiles business operations. Looking at their main features in the 1960s, we were already engaged in expanding business operations in Southeast Asia. Then, in the 1990s, we entered directly into the market of mainland China. Thus, we have competitive production bases facilitating our global operations. In addition to the production and sales of filament yarn and staple fibers, we also proactively engage in operations focused on textiles, such as woven and knitted fabrics, as well as expanding our apparel manufacturing operations. We are increasing operations in areas such as environment-friendly polylactic acid fibers, 3GT fibers, and industrial materials, including automotive airbags. Next, a look at our plastics and chemicals businesses. High-performance resins from this sector are used in such products as home electronics and automobiles. We are expanding our overseas production facilities for resin compounds, mainly in Asia and the USA. This includes the production of PBT resin in a joint venture with BASF of Germany in Malaysia. Toray produces and markets polyester film on the largest scale in the world. We have created a production and sales system at 6 locations around the world: in Japan, the USA, France, Malaysia and Korea, as well as in China. In recent years, applications for polyester film have expanded from LCTVs, smartphones and tablets to applications in the environmental and energy sectors, such as EVs and solar power. On the basis of the belief that research and technological development is the key to the Toray of tomorrow, we are dedicated to the expansion and enhancement of our core technologies: organic synthetic chemistry, polymer chemistry, biotechnology and nanotechnology, through sustained R&D at our global research and development centres. Our New Frontiers research laboratories in Kamakura are focusing on cutting-edge biotechnology and nanotechnology, and on advanced new technologies created through the fusion of these two. We consider that it is absolutely essential to nurture human resources in a responsible manner while conducting business as a trusted corporate citizen. Toray's employees from all regions of the world gather at the Toray Human Resources Development Centre, and they work together to realise corporate goals. At the Toray Group, we will provide new value and services to our customers and strong motivation to employees in response to the confidence placed in us by our shareholders. We will operate in line with our commitment to maintain high levels of ethics and responsibility as a member of society.